sitting before you. I'm student Edward Way Appleton, and I'll be discussing two topics. Yes, and the first one is lists and tables in HTML, and the second is images and multimedia in HTML. HTML provides two ways to organize content. So first, we'll look at a list. What is a list? There are two types of lists when you're designing or when you are laying out content in HTML. And the first one is the unordered list, parenthesis open, UL parenthesis closes, which display items with bullet points. Order doesn't matter. And the second one is what? The unordered list. The unordered list display items with numbers of letters used when order is important. Both use individual items. So the second item on our list, or when you're organizing a list, or when you're organizing content in HTML, would be the table, which is one of the most important components within organizing content in HTML. A table is used to arrange or to display data in rows and columns, to arrange, to put it in proper order that whosoever is about to work will be able to recognize every piece of order, every piece of code within a body or within the work that he is doing. For example, a table includes common tags: TR for table rows, TH for header cells, and TD for data cells. Tables can be styled. When I say style, it can be put in different forms, it can be changed in different forms, and enhanced by using CSS and attributes like cost span and row span. So, conclusion. Our conclusion is what? Lists help organize content linearly. When you hear linearly, which means what? In a straight and direct pattern that may be understandable by every student or every coder or every reader. While tables are best for structured data presentation. Tables are best for structured data in presentation. Because if you're about to make a presentation, if you don't have a structured table, if your content is not in line, your work will not be as perfect as you want it to be. So the table is the backbone of what the list. So our second topic that I'm presenting on will be images and multimedia in HTML. One of the most interesting, if not one of the most essential components of HTML. Because when you're working with HTML, you have to be able to see visible what you're about to work with. So first of all, HTML tags or HTML provide tags to embed multimedia content in web pages. So images and multimedia is important because if you're embedding the web pages, it is the most physical thing that you'll be able to see, like you're embedding website. The multimedia is important to see as coloring, as other stuff. So IMG, the abbreviation, is used to display images. To display images is used to show images that you are working with within a website. It requires the SRC, the image path, and the ALT, the alternative text attributes. Optional attributes like width and height can be controlled by the image size, or can control the image size within HTML. Then we come to the video. Video embeds or embeds video. It concludes a source, which means a place of income, tag for file formats, and supports attributes like controls, autoplay, loop, and poster. So our third will be what? Audio. Now, what is audio used for in HTML or encoding? Audio is used to add sound or clip. It also uses the source tag and support control and autoplay. Like the video I'm doing right now, I'm doing a presentation, but the audio is what will allow you to hear what I'm about to say or what am I speaking about. The video is what the code in the video is what you are looking at. You will be able to watch what I'm seeing or what I'm explaining about. So also, or the conclusion and the importance is tables, lists, multimedia, and videos makes website more engaging and interactive because you need audio and you need video. It also supports visionary, visual or auditory learning because in order to see what you're learning, you gotta be able to hear it. And enhances accessibility and SEO when correctly used. Multimedia elements are keys to creating modern, user-friendly web experiences. So, with everything I summarized, Mr. Blama, I'll abolish here, and this is what I understood within a short time altogether. Edward Wade Appleton, thank you.